Hi, and welcome to this basic account setup tutorial. So, at this point, you have registered your app and received a confirmation email. And from here, you create your password. That means you're all set to start using the platform. So, go to the account management and then click on profile. From here, you can upload your business logo. Once you upload it, you'll see it appear right here. Now you can click on edit invoice footer. This is where you add a footer that will appear on your invoice. It's just like the example you see here. So right now you move on to making the platform settings for your business, what you want to see. So over here, you will see uh, all the settings you can make to to configure the platform. Uh, but for now, I won't go into the details of each of of them. Another video will explain that. So for now, just click close and leave the default settings as it is. Now, before you start selling, you need to add products. Here in the system, there is already product in the system. So to do that for your fresh system, you just need to click on products and then go to add products. Click on that, and then you see the product name, modern name, quantity, and price per unit, and cost per unit. Just to clarify, the cost is how much you bought the product for, and the price is how much you're selling it for. So once you've filled in everything, click save, and then you can repeat this for to add more products as you want. So here you can see the power bank products that we added, and the quantity is 20. It is now added to our product list. So you're just wondering, how can you add a lot of product at once? We have this feature called the batch upload. So with the product batch upload, you can upload multiple products all at once. So all you have to do is to download the product batch upload template. There you can just follow the template, add your product name, the model, the quantity, the price for your product, and come back to this place and select that particular Excel sheet and click or upload. And when you submit that, you see that everything was uploaded and successfully added. So now if you go back to your products list, you will be able to see all of the items has been added to your product list. Another interesting feature we have is the uh, batch update products. So in case you want to update all your stock, maybe in terms of quantity, all at once, you can do that also in bulk, just as you updated, you added all your products. So the same process, you download the current product catalog, then you go ahead to edit the file in Excel. So the action column describes whether you want to add an addition to the quantity, or you want to modify the existing quantity that is in the system. So here we are using add. So for instance, if you're using add, if you add 20 now, it, if a product has 10 and you put 20, it is going to be added together, and it amounts to 30. So with this, you can make these changes for the number of products you want. Once you're set and you're done, you can save this file, then go back to the system and click the file, choose file, and select the file that you have just updated, and then click submit, and then your you have your updated stock now, and you can see all of them we are successful. And then you can also check this in your stock in the product management to see that the changes has been made. Another way you can also do this is to edit the products directly. So you can edit single products by clicking on the action button, and then you see how you can modify the price, the cost, the quantity, or even the details of the products. So for each, you can check out any of them and try to increase the quantity and click save. Once you do this, you have updated the products. Now that you have products in the system, you're ready to make sales. To do that, you have to click on sales and select record sales. On the record sales, you see here you can select all the items in your product list. You can select the products and automatically the price is filled out, and then you click add. You select another product that you want for this particular transaction, and you click add. So the next thing is to do is to assign this transaction to a customer. So here are the two ways to do that. First, we can set up a customer with actual name, and you add the first name, the surname, you add the phone number, and you click save. Now you can go to this list. We already have some existing customer in the system, so you can see the person we added, Peace in Joko, is already available for us to select. So you select this customer, and now you can make transaction with this customer. So, but the second option is that we have for businesses that have working customers that you don't need to gather their information. You can just record this by creating a generic customer name. For this demo, we can use general as the first name, and for the last name, you can use working customer. You can customize it whichever way you prefer, and then save this custom or save this customer, and then it's available for you to use for every of your working customer. The reason why we have to for this having name of customer is so that in case there is an issue with payment, or the customer didn't pay completely, you can trace back to the name, the exact name of the person who is owing you. So with that completed, we can proceed to make our sale. You can click on the button submit. Once you click on the button submit, voila, you have your invoice created, you have your customer receipts created, and you can view this. You can download this invoice or the receipts and send to this customer or print it. So this, and that's it. You have completed your first transaction. From here, you can continue to record sales and explore other features like purchases, customer management, records, but all of that will be covered in other videos that we'll make. Thank you for watching. Bye.